Is your Exchange server database corrupted? Unable to access mailboxes, emails, contacts, or attachments? Don't worry. This video shows you how to recover corrupt Exchange data quickly with Kernel for Exchange Server tool. It is a powerful Exchange recovery solution that recovers mailbox items from corrupt EDB files and saves them into existing or a new PST file, Live Exchange, Outlook profile, and Office 365 directly. Here is the step-by-step guide to recover your corrupt database using the tool. Download, install, and launch the Kernel for Exchange Server tool. On the software's home screen, click on Add Source. The software supports multiple sources to recover data from, including offline EDB files, Live Exchange on-premise, Outlook profile, and Office 365 Exchange Online. Here we are going with the offline EDB file and click Next. Under the select.edb files, click on three dots, browse on the folder where EDB files are located, select Required EDB file, and click on Next. In the following tab, select scanning modes from Standard Scan and Deep Scan to recover corrupt EDB data. For now, we are proceeding with Standard Scan. After that, click Next. The software will start scanning your EDB file and show 100% process completed after recovery. Click Finish to proceed. The software will list all your mailboxes, files, and folders of the added Exchange database file. Double-click on any folder to see its files and their content in the preview pane. Now, select PST file and save or migrate to any of these destinations. Select your entire mailbox, check Filter Date and Items box, and click on Set Filter. In the following window, apply filters from General, Mail Properties, Date, and Attachments as per your needs. Check Split PST file after, export duplicate items to customize your migration. Click on three dots in the Destination tab, provide saving location, and click on Export. The software will start exporting your Exchange database files to PST and show live conversion status. After a successful migration, the tool will show a report. Click OK. To learn more about the Kernel for Exchange Server tool, click on the link given below.